Hey there! Welcome to my craft closet. Today I'm going to show you how I transformed a regular closet into the closet of my dreams. Obviously, I need to show you the before picture of this closet, and I'm really embarrassed to do that because it's really bad. However, I'm going to have to show that to you. When we moved here, I added a cube organizer in here that we already had. It really didn't work and things started to overflow, and with time everything ended up in this big, huge, messy pile. Now I've got the perfect organization. I've got the drawers and the shelf and the pegboard. Like I said, it's my dream craft closet, and it isn't that hard to build at all, and I'm going to show you exactly how to build it. I do have the plans available for you to be able to make your own. The link to them is in the description below. Now let's get started. The first step was to clean out the closet and remove the old baseboards. To build, I started by making the rough cuts of the plywood with my circular saw, and then I finished cutting all the shelves and sides on the table saw. Be sure to cut a little bit bigger and trim down as needed for a perfect fit. Then I made pocket holes on the shelves. The correct jig is set at the 3/4 inch material thickness. I measured the spot for the base shelves, and I love using my Craig multi-mark for this. I will link to all the tools I used in the description below. I attached the base shelves to the sides using 1 1/4 inch pocket hole screws and wood glue. This built the entire closet structure. Once this was built, I tested to see if it fit in the closet, and it fit perfectly. Then I moved the structure back out to make it easy to reach back and make the shelf pin holes. Next, I built the drawers. The key to having the perfect drawers is to make sure that they are all square. I have lots of tips and tricks for making it easy to build drawers for beginners. I will post a link to it in the description below. I have a video about it coming out soon too, so be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out. With the frame still out of the closet, I installed the drawer slides to the frame using a drawer slide jig. This jig makes it really easy to get them all aligned and installed quickly. Once the drawers were installed, I put the frame back in the closet and attached the back supports using pocket hole screws. Then I added 3-inch screws to attach them to the studs in the wall. Finally, it was time to attach the drawer fronts. I added glue and I used playing cards to get the right spacing and attach the drawer front. Again, I cover all of this on my article for building drawers, and I will be covering it in a future video. With the drawers done, I added the plywood top. It is important to measure and cut the top accurately to ensure a tight fit. Then I just attached it with a few finish nails. Time for the finishing touches. I used 3/4 inch square dowels to trim out the entire face of the closet. For the bottom, I added a 1x3 as a toe kick. That's it. I primed it and painted it. I decided to add marble contact paper for the top to make it easy to clean. Above the organizer, I attached 1x3s using 3-inch screws into the stud to build a frame, and then I attached a pegboard to it. I added new baseboards, and that's it! A beautiful craft closet with lots of organization. Don't forget, you can get more details and the plans with the link in the description below. Before you go, be sure to check out this easy corner bin that makes for a great organizer too. Or you can check out this video. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future videos.